Namaskaram and a very warm welcome to everyone gathered here. In our tradition, music has always been more than a performance. It is a prayer, it is a pilgrimage, and it is a philosophy. It is a place where you come to connect. Madurai Meenakshi Temple. Many composers have done gigantic, magnificent compositions about this particular goddess. The one we are looking at today is by Papanasham Shivan. The name of the kriti is Devi Niye Tune. Deva Devan die Komposition, die wir hier vorstellen, stammt von Saint Tyagaraja, dessen Leben von Rama Bhakti geprägt war. Für Tyagaraja war Rama keine ferne Gottheit, sondern eine lebendige Präsenz, ein Freund, Führer und Beschützer. Next, we come south to the state of Kerala. Going to Shabarimala is not just take your car, park it somewhere, go to a temple and come back. It's a 41-day effort. So we say, oh, there are stones and thorns on the way. Help us, Ayyappa, we are coming to you. So everybody going in big groups, chants to each other like Kallum Mannum Kalakamettai Swamiye Ayyappo Ayyappo Swamiye Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Harivarasanam Vishwamoganam Hariharishwaram Radhapadikam Arivimardanam Nityanardanam Hariharatmajam Devamashraye Sharanamayappa Swami
शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामी शरणमय्यप्पा